Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best cabinet table saw on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. Powermatic Cabinet Table Saw. The Powermatic Cabinet Table Saw is a powerful machine with a 3 horsepower induction motor that allows you to rip full sheets easily and quickly. The PM2000B has a 30 capacity rip fence with a push-button secondary fence for 12 rip capacity. The rip fence is outfitted with aluminum miter slots and a T-slot designed to accommodate workpieces with either a miter or T-slot configuration. The rip fence has a micro-adjust for low-speed cross-cutting capability. The Powermatic Table Saw features a cast iron table. The Powermatic Cabinet Table Saw is a powerful machine with a 3 horsepower induction motor that allows you to rip full sheets easily and quickly. The PM2000B has a 30 capacity rip fence with a push-button secondary fence for 12 rip capacity. The rip fence is outfitted with aluminum miter slots and a T-slot designed to accommodate workpieces with either a miter or T-slot configuration. The rip fence has a micro-adjust for low-speed cross-cutting capability. The Powermatic Table Saw features a cast iron table. Number 4. Jet Cabinet Table Saw. The Jet 708674 PK Zacta cabinet saw embodies the same exacting standards of precision and performance as Jet's top-of-the-line model, the JTP10TS, but at the price of a hybrid cabinet saw. That's because the Jet 708674 PK hybrid cabinet saw features the same commercial-grade components as the JTP10TS, including its high-torque 10-inch jet bearing-supported, direct-drive induction motor and dual-beam laser guidance system. Uniquely designed for precision, the riving knife and splitter are also made of industrial-grade steel and are positioned higher than common cabinet saws for increased safety and efficiency. The 708674 PK features a 30-inch ripping capacity and a precision-machined high-accuracy throat plate, along with a cast iron extension table and extension wings to accommodate large panels, and a host of other accessories and a full set of miter gauges. Number 3. DEWALT Cabinet Table Saw. The DEWALT 10-inch table saw is designed with user comfort and convenience in mind. Its portable and open design allows for tabletop material cutting, while its easy-to-adjust rip capacity of 32.5 inch makes it versatile enough to complete a variety of projects. The 4-inch dust port allows for easy collection of your wood shavings. It features a durable steel roll cage that protects the saw from damage and allows for smooth transport up to 250 pounds. A large bevel capacity of 57 degrees provides wider range of cut opportunities. The DEWALT 10-inch table saw is covered by a 3-year limited warranty and a 1-year free service contract. Its powerful 15-amp motor delivers high performance, and the large, easy-to-read bevel lock wheels provide fast and accurate bevel and miter settings. And with the DWE 7491 RSS 32.5-inch rip capacity, it can handle a large variety of materials. Number 2. SawStop Cabinet Table Saw. The SawStop cabinet saw features the ultimate blade guard for cabinet saws. A special instant-on brake that stops the blade within 5 milliseconds of contact with your body. This helps avoid serious injuries. An efficient dust collection port captures 99% of all dust and debris. The 45-degree bevel capacity provides true left-to-right and right-to-left bevel cuts. The T-glide fence system is easy to adjust and provides a clear view of the blade while you're cutting. Bevel cuts up to 50 degrees are possible. The riving knife keeps your hands safe while you're making bevel cuts. The 10-inch blade provides ample cutting capacity for the widest possible range of applications, and the 1.75 horsepower motor has plenty of power to cut larger pieces. The system can be quickly and safely adjusted without a wrench. The SawStop cabinet saw's energy-absorbing anti-kickback device is a dual-edged 2-sided finger guard. This is the only automatic blade brake in the industry which stops the blade when a finger comes in contact with either side of the guard. Number 1. Grizzly Industrial Cabinet Table Saw. The Grizzly Industrial 10-3 HP 220V heavy-duty cabinet table saw is a powerful and versatile saw that is perfect for the professional contractor or woodworker. It comes with a 3 HP, 3-phase, 1725 RPM induction motor for fast, efficient cutting. The cabinet protects the user from dangerous blade exposure. The blade is 10 in x 40-tooth carbide tipped, and the miter gauge is 52-tooth. This saw has one powerful 3 HP 220V, 1 pH, single-phase, 15-amp TEFC induction motor that generates a top no-load speed of 3450 RPM with a maximum cutting capacity of 2/1/8 at 90 degrees and 2 3/4 at 45 degrees. So if you are looking for a durable table saw to use for different wood cutting applications, then you need to get this model right now. The RIP fence has 2 cam locks for easy locking at any desired angle. A carbide-tipped blade is included to get you started. It has a positive stop at 90 and 45 degrees to get the job done right. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.